Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so today we'll study chapter number 10, that is Tasty Bites. We know something is sweet. If we are eating any food, we can tell this is sweet, bitter, or sour when we taste it in our mouth. Mouth consists of tongue and teeth. Our tongue help us to taste and our teeth help us to chew. Tongue. The tongue is the muscular organ in the mouth used for tasting and licking. It is vital for chewing, swallowing food and for talking also. The tongue has taste bud. These taste buds they are located around tiny bumps present on the tongue that give it a rough texture. Then they transmit taste signals to the brain. Flavor present in food is a combination of taste and smell. Sweet, salty, bitter and sour are some of the flavors. When we have cold or when our nose is blocked having cold, then our brain does not receive any smell signals. Therefore, we cannot smell and miss most of the flavor in our food. This is the reason why we cannot taste anything when we have a cold. Next is teeth. All human beings have two types of teeth, that are permanent teeth and temporary teeth. Now, what are the types of teeth? Have you ever noticed different types of teeth in your mouth? Each one has its own function. First is incisor. They are used for cutting and biting food. They are 8 in number, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. They are also known as biting teeth. Second one is canines. They are sharp and are used to tear food. There are 4 canines, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. Canines, they are big, prominent in flesh-eating animals. These are also known as tearing teeth. Third one is premolars. They are broad teeth that are used to crush the food. They are 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw, just next to the canines. They have ridges which help us to crush the hard food. They are also known as chewing teeth. Last one is molars. They are the biggest, broadest and the toughest teeth. There are 12 molars, out of which 8 grow first and the remaining 4, they grow later on. They are used to grind the food well. The tongue sweeps chewed food to the back of the mouth where the molars grind it until it is mashed and ready to be swallowed. They are known as grinding teeth. Next is parts of a tooth or a structure of a tooth. What is a structure? A tooth has two parts, that is crown and root. The part of the teeth which is visible, it is known as crown, and the root is the part which is hidden inside the gum. Gum is pink, fleshy part that holds the tooth. The crown of each tooth is covered with enamel, which is hard, tough and often shiny. Below the enamel is the dentine, which is like a bone. It is the largest part of the tooth and it is very hard. Inside the dentine is the pulp. The pulp is the very softest part and it is full of nerves and blood vessels. Next is how to take care of the teeth. What are the steps by which we can keep our teeth clean and healthy? First, we should brush our teeth twice a day with a good toothbrush and a good toothpaste. It is especially important to brush before going to bed. We should rinse our mouth clean with water after eating food. We should also use tongue cleaner to clean our tongue. We should use dental floss once a day to keep our teeth. It removes food stuck in between the teeth. We should massage our gums with fingers also. We should change our toothbrush every time it wears out. We should use a toothbrush with soft nylon bristles. We should eat hard fruit whole instead of cutting them. And we should avoid drinking too many soft drinks and eating too many sweets. So these are some few steps, few ways by which we can keep our teeth clean and healthy. Till the bye bye to all of you.